Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
First, to understand our question, the program has to accept the integer m and n as the input and form a matrix of size m cross n into m cross n, filling it with 0 and 1 alternatively in vertical and horizontal directions. And finally, we must print the matrix as the output. So now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case, we have m as 3 and n as 4. So now, yeah, 3 into 4 is 12. So we have to form 12 cross 12 matrix. So the first row we have 3 zeros. So here it is m cross m into m. And here first we'll have 3 zeros followed by 3 1, and then again we'll have 3 zeros and we'll have 3 1. So the second row will repeat this for the second row, that is 3 zeros, 3 1, again 3 0 and 3 1. For third row it remains the same, but for the fourth row it will be changed as 1 1 1, then 0 0 0, again 1 1 1 and 0 0 0. So this will be repeated for the next two rows. So this whole rows will be repeated for one time, that is this will be the final output. Now we'll understand the logic of this program. First we have to accept the integers m and n as the input, and then after getting the integers m and n, we have a variable called as the start num, and we'll get the matrix, that is start num is initially 0, and for the matrix 0 for column in range m into n, for row in range m into n, and then we'll have a loop for row from 0 to m into n, where the step value is m, and then we'll iterate over the column from 0 to m star n, and the step value is m, and inside this we'll have a loop for S row, from row to S row plus M, and the same way for S column to from column to column plus M. And here the matrix will be assigned to, so the matrix of S row, S column will be assigned to the num. Num is nothing but the value of start num. So num is the start num value. So after assigning the matrix of S row, S column to num, we will change the value of num, and then we'll change the value of start num, and finally we have to print the matrix as the output. So for that we have to iterate over a loop, that is for row in matrix will print the matrix as the output.